Would you like to learn how to make bacon wrapped asparagus enhanced with Parmesan cheese and it's keto friendly? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make some super yummy and easy bacon wrapped asparagus. We're gonna use some smoky bacon, asparagus, Parmesan cheese. This side dish right here is really fire and it's keto friendly. And of course, everyone knows everything is better when you put some bacon on it. Hey, it's Lisa D, founder of Lisa D's Delights. And on this channel, we help beginner cooks learn how to prepare quick and simple recipes made with love. Most of our recipes are Southern cuisine with a healthy flair. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love asparagus. They are so good for us. They are filled with so many nutrients that we need, like fiber and antioxidants, and they say that it can help with high blood pressure and diabetes and stuff. But why not mess that all up with some good, yummy, fatty swine? Hey, pigs need love too. Oh my God, why are you such a fool? Rinse the asparagus first, and then we're gonna cut off the ends of them. That's the root part, and they're not really edible. So we're gonna chop off like the white area at the end. Next, we're gonna go ahead and make our Parmesan cheese blend. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese into a bowl. Put in a little garlic powder with that. Please use the fresh cracked black pepper. It's so much better than the black pepper that's already ground. Add in a little parsley for color. Mix that all up. Fun fact, would you believe that when asparagus seeds are planted, it takes a whole 3 years for them to harvest? Yup, that's a lot of work. Even more reason why we need to eat these nutritious struggle plants. Now let's get ready to put on our Parmesan cheese. Separate the asparagus in a couple of batches, like 3 or 4 per batch. Then take some fresh lemon juice and sprinkle it all over the asparagus, concentrating mostly on the center because that's where we're going to place the Parmesan cheese. We don't put it on the ends or the tips because when we're frying them, the cheese will just come off anyway. Now take the bacon and simply wrap the bacon around the asparagus bunch. You could use turkey bacon if you wanted to be more healthy. It won't be as yummy, but you could. You probably would just need to add a little butter to the frying pan when you're frying it because the turkey bacon won't be releasing any grease. I did keto a few years back and I lost like 20 pounds when I did keto. So this is a real good keto friendly meal. I might have to go back on keto, child. This quarantine life is doing my hips no justice. While you're wrapping the asparagus, go ahead and get a frying pan nice and hot so we can fry these babies up. Add them to the pan, and all we want to do here is get the bacon nice and crispy and brown. And as the bacon gets brown, the asparagus will cook as well. It'll probably take about 5 to 8 minutes, but try not to overcook your asparagus because soft, mushy asparagus is not delightful. I like my asparagus firm and crisp, but if you like your asparagus soft, mushy with the vitamins all cooked out of it, hey, do you, boo. Press down on the bacon to help it brown and cook faster. Stay close by and keep checking them and flip them around so that you can brown them on all sides. I'm having so much fun doing this new cooking show that I'm doing on YouTube, and I appreciate all you guys that are supportive. But the only discouraging thing is that I'll get so many views, but then a lot of you guys won't subscribe or hit the like button. And it's totally free, and I promise it won't hurt. I really would love for you guys to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And making these videos, it's not easy, believe it or not. It's a lot of work put into this. So if you guys could just subscribe and hit that like button, it really helps me out a lot so that I can continue to keep cooking for you guys. Thank you in advance. These asparagus wrapped in bacon would go so good with the stuffing that I made, enhanced with smoked turkey and sage. You have got to check that video out. I'll link it above. Once they're done, take a little more Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it all over the top of them. And then they should look like this. Yes, don't they look yummy? They were delicious. Girl, make your asparagus wrapped in bacon like this. Thank you, Father God, for another amazing dish. You're awesome and I love you so much. These asparagus wrapped in bacon will go so good with the ribeye steak that I'm about to make. Bars. Infused with garlic and herbs. Hopefully by the time you see this, that video will be linked above. You really do not want to skip this recipe, beloved. It was so delightful. Anywho, if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe. Do me right by hitting like. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of this yumminess. And please share if you care. I thank you so much in advance. Remember, when you cook from your heart with love, you can't go wrong. Have a delicious and delightful day. Bye.